Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today we have the room tour, the university room tour. I am literally so excited to show you. I've been sorting this room out for the past few days and I finally got it all sorted and I just love it so much. So I'm literally so excited to share with you where everything's from, how I've decorated everything, give you a bit of room inspo maybe. So this video is actually in collaboration with DESENIO. I have the most beautiful prints which I am so excited to show you. So thank you so much for DESENIO for gifting me these prints. It's just crazy. Like last year, if you watch my room tours and room transformation videos last year, I got all the prints from DESENIO myself last year, and this year I'm working with DESENIO. Like, I actually can't believe it. Quick side note, I am in my third year at the University of Nottingham, so this is my university house room, if that makes sense. I feel like it's so much better than my last year's house room. It's so much better than first year. I feel like my room has had a constant glow up each year, so I'm so happy that this one... I'm so sorry, like the wind is absolutely crazy. I've never had wind like it in my life, so can we just ignore that for the video? Hopefully it's going to calm down. So if you're new here, I'd absolutely love you to stick around, join the little family and subscribe. There are going to be so many more university style videos coming, university weekly vlogs. We have a Freshers Week vlog, which probably will be up very soon. So if you want to see all the other university content and see all the other videos with my so fabulous backdrop, I'm literally so excited about it, then definitely stick around and subscribe, and let's just get on with the video. But this is the door as you come in, and this is what you see as soon as you walk in. I am just so excited about this setup. I honestly just couldn't love it anymore. So on this back wall, I feel like I'll start here. We have these lights which are from IKEA. They actually plug in. We're just going to ignore this wire situation on the wall. I didn't really know what else to do about it. But I've put these up with little pegs, and these are just like little fluffy lights from IKEA, which I absolutely love. I'll try and link them down below if I can find them, but they have some crazy IKEA name, obviously. So then I have these three prints which I've picked, first of all from DESENIO, which I am just so in love with this setup. It's not even an exaggeration that these prints took me about 5 hours to pick. I was doing so many polls over on Instagram getting you guys to help me out to pick which ones I should actually have. But I actually filtered DESENIO to beige, white, black. I think that's what I filtered it to because I just wanted to go with the colour scheme I was going for, and that helped me look through so much more. So that's a little DESENIO hack for you. But yeah, last year I went for pink, white and grey in my room. So last year I did just filter DESENIO to that. But this year obviously I picked the colours I went for because they have so many options. I definitely recommend filtering the colour scheme you want. Like if you've got like a grey colour scheme, if you've got a beige colour scheme, if you've got a blue colour scheme, then you can filter it to that and it just makes the search so much easier. But let me just show you these prints behind me because these will be my new YouTube setup. So everyone excited for the hauls here, the cosy, chatty autumn videos here. Featuring a little Starbucks pumpkin spice frappuccino maybe. Let's get into the prints anyway because I'm just too excited. So the first one is this little white fire escape, which I just thought was so beautiful. It just looks so classy, and I just thought this would fit the vibe of the room perfectly. Then I've gone for this really big cocoa print. I was just between this one and the Prada one. I wasn't sure between the two, but I finally went with this one because I feel like a lot of people have the Prada one. So I went with this. I thought it was a little bit different, so I absolutely love that, and I feel like this looks so beautiful. Then the next print along here is a little fluffy one, and I mean, you've probably seen this one many times before. Let me actually go closer. You can actually see me in there. Hello. You've probably seen this print many times before. I feel like this is quite a classic DESENIO print, but it just says dream. I thought that's perfect. Just for above the bed. Again, it has little feathers on it, and I thought that was perfect to kind of match the vibe of my pillows, cushions, everything like that. So that's the next print I got, and I just thought these as a little trio looked so beautiful. I'm just obsessed with them. I feel like the setup looks so classy. Like overall the wall just looks amazing. I'm a big fan. So this is the last one I have over here. So this is the initial setup as you come in. I feel like a proper photographer or like interior designer doing these shots. So that is the first wall done. I'll get on to the rest of the tour in just a second, but I do have a discount code for DESENIO, which is just Georgialaurenbirch, which gives you 25% off prints apart from hand-picked prints. Doesn't apply on those, doesn't apply on frames, and it doesn't apply on personalised prints. But everything else, you can use the code Georgialaurenbirch until the 1st of October at midnight to get yourself 25% off. So we then have this little chest of drawers. I'm going to get this out of the way because this isn't my most favourite part of the room. This is probably my least favourite because it has a couple of scratches and things on it, and I haven't got this all set up properly yet. So the first thing we have on here is my little diffuser and essential oil set. So this has sandalwood, eucalyptus, orange, peppermint, lavender, lemon, tea tree and bergamot as the scents. And this I got kind of like mid-lockdown when I was kind of struggling to sleep a little bit. It lights up all different colours, it diffuses different oils, and it just relaxes me so much. So I would definitely recommend this if you are struggling to sleep. Sandalwood, honestly, I just fall asleep straight away when that goes on. But that is what I've got on the top of here, and other than that it's just empty on the top. I want to keep everything quite kind of fresh and not messy. So this is the only section of my room that I'm not quite happy with yet, because I am going to get little baskets to go in here, just because I think this looks a bit of a mess. But I've literally just got my laptop case, my jewellery, I've got my little Alexa, not trying to set her off because she does get a bit crazy, little lunchbox. I've got this with my tablets in just so I don't lose them, and then this box is for all my camera stuff, so I usually just have my tripod in, my memory cards, all that. Okay, so then just by my bed I have the fluffiest slippers in the world. You might have seen these in the back to uni haul, but these are just my favourite things ever. I'm going to actually put them on. I was trying to keep them off just for the purpose of this tour, but I'm going to put them on now. So this is actually my bed setup, which I'll tell you where everything is from. So I literally got these pillows yesterday from TK Maxx. They're like big fluffy ones, and it actually took me so long to find some really nice neutral ones. The back is just like that, kind of like a light brown colour, and these were perfect. These were £15 each. This, the little fluffy one, which is from B&M, which was literally like £4 I think. And then my actual bedding is just literally like a white satin. I think that's from Next. And then I obviously have my little Build-A-Bear teddy. It comes everywhere. Then over the top of the bed I have this like little, this kind of detailed throw, which I am honestly obsessed with. This is from IKEA as well. I'll try and link this down below as well, but it just adds some really nice texture to your bed and makes it look so much more expensive, I feel. So that's what I have, it just folded over the top there. And then I also have this little blanket, which I literally just got from Primark not long ago. You would have also seen this in the back to uni haul. This was literally £5 from Primark, just a little fluffy blanket. Hopefully you're enjoying the tour and not being too distracted by the wind. The wind is just crazy. I have no clue what's going on. Can we just try and ignore it as best as possible? I thought I'd just give you a mini outfit of the day as well. I've got this little two-piece on from Boohoo, and then this little top underneath is also from Boohoo. So let's carry on with the rest of the tour. I'm just popping in to say I'm really sorry about the wind noises. If you can't hear it, you'll probably hear it now. It's the most annoying thing in the world. So then this area down here is one of my personal faves. I got all these little bits from this shop in Nottingham called Sostrin Green, which is so cute. So this little wooden basket, which is like 62p. Sorry, excuse the nails, that is awful. Sorry, why have I actually displayed myself on the inside like that? Just ignore them. We don't have the money to have our nails done constantly. Let's just ignore that. So this little basket was from Sostrin Green again. It was 62p, just to hold my face wipes. Then I've got this little candle again in sandalwood. Sandalwood is such a good scent to help you sleep. So if anybody's struggling sleeping, maybe try that. This little diffuser actually is from Primark. It's just a spiced amber one. I always have something going in my room just to make it smell nice. This little pot I keep all my memory cards in just because I lose them so easily and lose videos, and it's just not a vibe. That was also from Sostrin Green. I think this was also about 60p. And then I've got this little candle holder again from the same shop, and this little candle again from the same shop. I think all these little bits were probably about £10 in total, like so good. And then I've got this little actual table which I've brought with me, which is from IKEA again, which was only £25 I think, but it's just a perfect little coffee table. This comes off as well if you want to like have it as a little tray. And then I've got this little detail here, which is actually from IKEA as well. It's like a little gold frame that you can just put Polaroids on. I got these Polaroids printed from La La Lab, so I have like my friends at home, my uni friends, more friends from home, my boyfriend's on there, lots of travel pictures, just everything that makes me feel like quite homely. I don't like to have too many photos just thrown around, but I just love this little setup. It just sits nicely by my little bedside table, and I'm a big fan of how that looks. So this is the room so far. Then we are coming on to the mirror. So this mirror is actually from IKEA again. This is called, I can't remember what it's called, but I'll put the name on screen, or I'll link the mirror down below. I was looking for a big mirror for like fashion photos for the longest time, and this one is perfect. I love this one. It's very wide, so it's perfect. But I do have a bit of an issue. There was this mirror already in the room, but obviously I thought my mirror would cover it, but now we've kind of got like a two-head situation going on. So if anybody has any tips of what I could stand this mirror on, like to make it not have that little situation going on, then let me know, because I have no clue what to do about that. Then down here I just have my makeup bag. This one is literally just from Victoria's Secret, and I just keep that there. It just seems to fit perfectly. And then around here I've got my bag for my ring light. And then this setup is my absolute favourite. This print is from DESENIO. It's just this little one with like all these like waves, and I thought that was perfect to fit with the neutral setup. I just love how this little area looks. So in this little, these baskets are from Primark. They came in a set of 3. The wind is really testing me. Came in a set of 3 for like £7. I've got hair stuff in this one. I've got all my tan in this one. Then just skincare in this little basket here. Then I've got this mirror, which I'm so sorry, I have no idea where that's from. If I do figure out a similar one, I'll link it down below. But this is just what I do my makeup in, so I just leave that on there. And then I've got this, which I'm so happy about, this little plant. It's called bunny tails. These were from Sainsbury's and these were, I think, £7 or £8. £8 I'm going to go with. So I just thought that looks really cute as a little setup on here with my print and my little baskets and my little flowers. And then we come on to these drawers, which is where all my clothes are. So top one, I've just got underwear over here, like joggers and like chill tops in there, and some random fairy lights. I don't know why, but that is the top drawer. Second drawer, I've literally just got tops. So I've got like crop tops, baggy tops, like tops to sleep in over here. And then the bottom drawer, there seems to be a problem with this one, is, see what I mean? Bit of an issue. It's like going out tops, going out skirts, going out trousers. As you can see, you've got the leather out, ready for autumn, winter. So excited. Does anyone want to share my excitement? Comment below. So excited for it. And then down here, I've got my little bin, which is just a really pretty one from IKEA again. And then all my shoes are kind of just laid out along here. Then this is the desk setup, which I'm not excited to be sitting at for the whole year, but it is what it is. So this little folder is from Wilko's. I've already put my first set of notes from the first little lecture in there. Hello, can we open this? It's all very organised, first week vibes. Probably going to get a lot worse than this as we go, but it's all in folders, ready to go. And then I've got my, obviously, laptop here, which I could not live without. Touch wood, that's not going to break. We've got a few scratches along here, which I'm not really, it's not really a vibe, but what can we do? Then I've got this little spinny chair, which is from IKEA, with this little IKEA little thrown over it. And then my laundry basket in there is from Primark, I think. So as this little setup, obviously when I do start work properly, I will move my laundry basket from there. But for now, I'm just leaving it in there just for ease. Then I've got these three little drawers here, which in the top one, I've got like hair tools, got my curler, my straighteners. Second one, I've got just cleaning products. I've got loads of masks. Obviously, didn't think that'd be happening this year, but here we are with the masks. Got some of the flora. We've got loads of different cleaning things and just like thin bags in there. And then here, I've just got all my work stuff. So I've got like glasses, pens, books, like plastic wallets, everything, glasses in there, and like a little storage thing, which I'll probably be needing with all the work this year. Let's not talk about it. Let's shut the drawer. Then I've just got this, obviously to hang my clothes up when I wash them, and my little handbag down there, which is from Zara. And then we're finally at the wardrobe, which is the last little section of the tour. So in here, I feel like I haven't put my face on much, so I thought, you know what, let's just come back to you. So in the top, it's a little bit of a mess. So we've got towels up there, we've got jumpers up there. It's all a little bit of an organised mess. Organised mess, bit of a hot mess. I'm not really sure how to describe the situation up there. We'll just pan down to here. Then I've got all my favourite clothes in here. So I've obviously got my two hoodies from Sisters and Seekers. I've got my Isolation Generation one. I've got my one that says buy a Schnelling over it. I wish I could afford that, but we can't. Anyway. And then I've got a few things which are mainly from Zara. I feel like my Zara clothes take priority in the wardrobe. I only brought about 10 hangers up, which I don't know why. My mum was like, you've got loads, and now I actually have about 10. So I will get some more hangers and hang more clothes up. For now, I've just got all my neutral vibes that I'm wearing kind of on the regular. My favourite clothes in here. I've got my Zara puffer coat. I've got my little leather jacket from Boohoo, and then my fluffy jacket, which you'll see in a future haul, from Primark. I was giving you a sneak peek actually of all these, which are all in my future Zara haul, but we'll ignore that for now. Then at the bottom, we're kind of carrying on with the messy vibes. We've got a spare duvet, spare bedding, stuff like that all in there. So I think that might actually be the tour completed. I've shown you around everywhere. Hopefully you liked it. I'm so happy with my room this year. I feel like the prints just make it, and like the wooden wall, I'm just absolutely loving it. So don't forget to use my DESENIO code, which is Georgialaurenbirch, for 25% off prints, which doesn't include hand-picked or personalised prints or frames, but all the other prints you'll be able to get. I'm pretty sure these ones aren't hand-picked or personal, so you'll be able to get 25% off these ones and like a million other on the website. It's just my favourite thing in the world. Leave all the links and details down below for all of that. So hopefully you enjoyed this room tour. Like I said, there'll be so much more university content coming. There's going to be vlogs, there's Freshers Week vlogs, there's of course going to be loads of hauls, awesome videos. I just can't wait for all the content we have coming up. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all of your support recently. It means the absolute world, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.